John, this is Spencer Jardine, and I was looking at the article that you sent me, and it looks like you had a DOI number, and you had an article title, and you even had the journal date, and the article's author, and the volume, and the page numbers. This was published in 1963, according to the information that you gave me. So, first thing I did was to look in our journals by title. If you go to the library website, we've got these tabs along the top here, and this one, Journals by Title, is a good one to look with. Sometimes you can find a lot of success even just copying and pasting the full citation into one search. So that's one thing to do. I used the journals by title today, and when I did that, I could see after I clicked on the full text access that we have access in Wiley Online Library back to 1997. So clearly that's not as far back as 1963. Actually, the first thing I did, I'm sorry, was to click on I actually typed and entered the DOI number into my web address box at the top. So I came to the Wiley Online Library, and when I clicked on PDF, I'm sure this is what happened to you, but it said get access to the full version of this article. So they're asking you to pay money. So don't do that. Don't pay the money, because we can get that for you through our interlibrary loan system. If you go to the library and if you go to How Do I, you can click Request Interlibrary Loan, and it will take you to a page like this. And there's this link here that says ILL Request Form. They do have a lot of information here. It is good to review that information and to see what's going on. When I clicked on this link, it brought me to this page. So with the 9-digit Bengal ID number, start with your 000 and give us your last name. When I do this, it opens up the full system and it looks like this. If you have not registered with our interlibrary loan department, you may need to register and give us some of your contact information. Once you do that, then it will take you into this system, and you can say request article, or you can request a book or a book chapter. Book chapters often come as PDFs, so that can be useful if you just need one chapter from a book. Most of the time the books come in the mail, so they take about 2 weeks. We do quote 2 weeks for every interlibrary loan source that we ask that people request. But typically the articles take 2 to 3, maybe 4 business days, depending on the workload or how many people are requesting at a given time. But you can see that you can manually enter in your information. So, I mean, you could even just copy and paste if you have that on your computer at home. Make sure you give us everything that's with the red star, the red asterisk. So give us the article title, the journal title, the volume, publication date, page numbers, and any additional information you give us may allow us to find your article even faster. Then you just click submit. Make sure you look in your ISU email account, and we will send you an email once this article arrives. It may bring you back to the system. When that happens, you go to the View section and click Electronically Received Items, and then below this row here, it will give you the information, and it may have the PDF somewhere in here that you can download right from here. And I think you have 30 days from the date of posting for you to access that article and download it and take a look at it. I hope this information was useful for you. If you submit this article over the weekend, they can start working on this Monday morning when they start working. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be glad to help you some more. I hope this was useful, and have a good day. Goodbye.